Yeah. Very sobering experience, as you say. On the roll there, the 4 extra EA300s of the blades from 2XL Aviation and Cywell Aerodrome. Our first chance at RIAT to see that team, even though it's been around since joining the extras in the air for our special to the 50th anniversary of Airbus, the mighty A400M. Not as yet discovered, of course, amongst those is the very interesting planetarium, which has been operating all day. Of the field, in the opposite direction to the landing traffic, you'll see the looming shadow of the mighty Airbus A400M Atlas. And what's unique about this Flypast is that formating on either side of it are 4 extra 300 aircraft of the Blades Aerobatic display team. Get your cameras ready, because this will be the first time that you would have ever seen anything quite like this. They've got about half a kilometre to run. I'm going to let it speak for itself. You've got to enjoy this. This is going to be epic. Eyes left, everybody. Absolutely breathtaking. So the Blades, operated by part of 2XL, the wider aviation group, enjoying a good relationship with Airbus, and we look forward to doing many more working relationships with them in the future. That was incredible. Now the Blades are going to peel off and form up crowd rear for the start of their display. The Airbus will continue on its route down. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, as the Blades form up at crowd rear, let me just give you let me use the opportunity now to introduce you to the team. For many of you that haven't seen the team, this is actually our debut performance weekend here at the Royal International Air Tattoo, but it's not the first time that many of these pilots have displayed here. All of the pilots that are about to fly as part of the Blades, Andy, James, Mike and Kirsty, are all former Red Arrows pilots, and they have performed here in the Hawks before. But today they've moved on from the Red Arrows and they fly the Extra 300, a beautifully capable aerobatic aircraft. They're just going to hold to crowd rear, and if we train our eyes to the right of the field, we'll see the beautiful Atlas come into land. Safely on the ground, and ladies and gentlemen, it's a huge privilege for me to be able to introduce you, as I said, to our first display of the Royal International Air Tattoo.